Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y19s, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, you're going to hold power button and volume up, which brings up your boot options, and here you're just going to select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power button and volume up again, and you want to hold it as long as it takes for the fast boot mode to show up on the screen. There we go. Next, press volume down once to select recovery mode. There we go. And then confirm it with the power button. From here, click on clear data and then clear all data and confirm it by selecting OK. So start wiping data right here, and once it's finished, I believe the device automatically reboots, but we'll see in a second. Come on. Oh, there we go. So we're going to click on return apparently, and then back, and restart, and OK. And now this will continue resetting the device in the background, so it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, this is completely normal. From previous reset, I think it takes about 4 minutes to finish up, so just be patient. Once the process is finished, setup screen will be visible, so I'll be back once that's the case for me. And I am going to pause the video just so I don't waste your time, as there's nothing really happening in between. So just let your device rest. Once you see the setup screen, you're basically good to go. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.